Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about the most important topic as functional isomeres. In last video we have discussed about the position isomeres and we observed that how does the position of functional group change in different structure of the organic compound, and due to this the chemical properties and physical properties of the organic compound also change. So today we are going to discuss the another most important topic, functional isomeres. Functional isomeres. Now question arises, what is functional isomeres? Two or more compounds having same molecular formula but different functional group are called functional isomeres, and the compound obtained is called functional isomers. Okay dear student, let us see the definition of functional isomeres. When two or more compound having same molecular formula, but different functional group, the phenomena is called functional isomerism, and the structure obtained are called functional isomers. Okay dear student, let us see the example. Alcohol and ether have same molecular formula but structure are different due to different functional group in alcohol and ether. Let us see. Suppose the general formula of alcohol and ether is C2H6O. Okay dear student, this is for alcohol CH3, CH2 and OH. This is ethyl alcohol. You know, this is ethyl alcohol. Clear? And you can also obtain by rearranging the atoms ether. Okay? Let us see. Suppose CH3, CH3OCH3. This is ethereal oxygen, you know. And when two alkyl group attached to the oxygen is called ether. Functional group is here ether. Okay? So it is dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether. Okay dear student, so we can see here how the ethyl alcohol, what is the functional group in ethyl alcohol, what is the functional group in ether. Okay, in ether oxygen attached with to alkyl group, while in alcohol one alkyl group and one hydrogen atom attached to the oxygen. That means the valency of oxygen satisfied with one alkyl group and one hydrogen atom in alcohol, while in case of ether two alkyl group satisfied the valency of oxygen. Okay dear students, next let us see the another functional isomers. That means ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether are functional isomers to each other. Functional isomers to each other. Okay, dear student, let us see another. The aldehyde group and ketone both have same molecular formula. Let us see C3H6O. Okay, we can obtain by rearranging the atoms aldehyde and ketone. Okay, see here CH3, CH2 and C double bond OHCH3. Here 3 to 5, 1 6 hydrogen, 3 carbon, 1 oxygen. And this is aldehyde group, so it is called propanol. Okay, dear student, but when the oxygen attains like this CH3, C double bond O and CH3, this is known propanol. Okay, dear student, so we can see here how the single formula form two types of compound. One is aldehyde compound and second one is ketone. Okay, dear student, let us see another example. The carboxylic acid and ester having same molecular formula. Carboxylic acid and ester having same molecular formula. Here C3H6O2. This is the formula of carboxylic acid as well as ester. We can see after rearranging, suppose CH3, CH2COOH. Okay, dear student, I think this reaction is balanced reaction. 3 to 5, 1 6 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 3 carbon, balanced reaction. Okay, the name of this compound is propanoic acid. But we can also find CH3COOCH3. This is ester. Okay, methyl ethanoate. The name of compound methyl ethanoate. Okay, dear student, so propanoic acid and methyl ethanoate are functional isomers to each other. Functional isomers to each other. Okay, dear student, next another important isomeres we are going to discuss, that is metameres. What is metameres? Metameres. What is metameres? Two or more compounds having same molecular formula but the different alkyl group attached to the functional group in bivalent atom. That means the functional group should be bivalent or trivalent, etc. Okay, dear student, now see here, in case of metameres, when two or more compound having same molecular formula but different arrangement of alkyl group around the functional group, the phenomena is called metamerism. Metamerism, and the product obtained called metamers. Okay, dear student, let us see the example taking of ether. Suppose we have CH3O, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Okay, this is methoxypropane, the name of compound 1-methoxypropane, 1-methoxypropane. Okay, dear student, you can see here in one side there is 1 carbon atom attached, and in one side there is 3 carbon atom attached. You can also balance it by rearranging the molecule like this: CH2O, CH2 and CH3. You can see here in both the cases the number of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen atom are same. Okay, and that means the molecular formula are same. Also all the atoms are balanced here. Okay, and the name of this compound is ethoxyethane. Okay, dear student, so both are metamers to each other. Both are metamers to each other. Okay, dear student, each other. So I think you are getting what is the functional isomeres, what is the metameres, and now we are going to discuss the another topic. Before another topic, let us see the another example related to amine groups. Let us see the compound CH3, NH and CH3. The name of this compound is 1, 2, 3. Okay, N-methyl 2-aminopropane, but rearrange this like this: CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3. Okay, dear student, N-ethyl 1-aminoethane. Okay, that means N-methyl 2-aminopropane and N-ethyl 1-aminoethane are metamers to each other. Metamers to each other. Okay, dear student, I hope are you getting what is the metameres and what is the definition of metameres. Okay, dear student, in next video we will discuss about 2 remaining topic: ring chain isomeres and tautomeres. Okay, thank you, all the best.